Every technological revolution has had a hidden foundation. The industrial age depended on coal, the information age was built on silicon, and the race for artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, advanced weapons, and clean energy is quietly resting on something most people will never see: rare earth elements. These minerals rarely make headlines, yet they have become one of the most valuable assets in the modern world. For years, China understood something that many others overlooked. Winning the future was never only about inventing better technology, it was about controlling the materials every breakthrough depends on. While countries competed to build faster computers and smarter machines, China invested in mining, refining, and processing rare earth elements. Step by step, it built an advantage that became incredibly difficult to challenge. That story may now be entering a new chapter, not because someone discovered a giant new treasure underground, but because researchers believe North America already has enough rare earth resources to support a much stronger supply chain. The real challenge has never been finding these minerals. It has always been turning them into something the world can actually use. If you could watch the journey of a single rare earth element, it would begin deep inside ordinary-looking rock. Huge amounts of ore are mined, crushed into tiny particles, and passed through complex chemical processes until individual elements can finally be separated. It is slow, expensive, and technically demanding. Mining gets most of the attention, but refining is where the real engineering happens. That is exactly why building a new supply chain takes years, not months. You can actually see the results of that process almost everywhere. The powerful magnets inside electric vehicle motors, the generators spinning inside wind turbines, precision guidance systems, medical imaging equipment, industrial robots, even the hardware powering today's AI revolution, all depend on materials that most people have never heard of. Remove those elements from the equation, and many modern technologies suddenly become far more difficult to produce. That also explains why this research is attracting so much attention. It is not simply about geology, it is about resilience. If more countries can responsibly mine, refine, and manufacture these materials closer to home, future industries become less vulnerable to supply disruptions. That could reshape everything from renewable energy to semiconductor manufacturing without changing the technologies themselves. Of course, the road ahead is anything but simple. Building new mines requires years of environmental studies, massive investment, advanced processing facilities, and highly skilled engineers. Even if the resources already exist, creating an independent industrial ecosystem is a long-term challenge, not an overnight victory. Perhaps the biggest lesson here has very little to do with mining. Innovation is not only created inside laboratories or research centers. Sometimes it begins much earlier, with the invisible materials that make every invention possible. The countries that understand this connection today may end up shaping the technologies the rest of the world depends on tomorrow. If you enjoyed discovering the hidden engineering behind tomorrow's world, subscribe to Dezhn, leave a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Because behind every great invention, there is always a story most people never hear.